Hi, my name is Brandy Coonan, and my application is the Cookbook Keeper. This is currently week 2 of my project and portfolio course for Full Sail University. This is my update for the week. Some things that I was able to accomplish last week at the very end of it. I tried to implement the GitHub repository aspect of it, and in doing so, I did it the wrong way for the IDE that I'm using, and it wound up resulting in the whole thing having to be scrapped. So at the start of this week, I had to try and see if I could save some of the stuff from my old project and make it into this new one. Thankfully, I was able to. As you can see, the main screen was able to be saved, some aspects of it. And I was also able to use that as an opportunity to implement some of the ideas that had been brought up during my user testing, such as the background behind the Cookbook Keeper logo itself being changed so that the red section right there is a little bit more white so that you can read the letters there easier if you're an older person. Another thing I was able to implement this week is the buttons actually work now. Um, Unfortunately, I haven't finished the search part completely, so it's just permanently going to go to the uh-oh page as I don't have a way to store any recipes. But both these buttons are fully functional. This one takes you to the recipe form, which does work. As you can see, you can type stuff in it. It won't actually save the recipe at this moment, uh, simply because I haven't gotten that feature yet. That was one of the things I did have a problem with this week, was figuring out how to save each one of these 4 fields. I was directed to a video course on LinkedIn Learning, and after watching the course I was still a bit confused, so I'm still working on that. That's one of the things I want to focus on in the next upcoming week. But the quit button works and takes you back to the main page. I'm pretty happy I got the linking of the pages together. That actually took me quite a bit to research and figure out how to do that. I'm not familiar with this Android Studio IDE at all. That's one thing I'm very happy about. And something that went right is that I figured out how to link these buttons. But yeah, I'm planning on getting the recipe to actually work next week and get it to where when you click the find recipe, if you have a recipe already stored, it should show a different page that says, pulls up the search results. And that's what went on this week.